In my classroom, I rely heavily on data that comes from MAPS testing and various learning programs such as Khan Academy Mappers, Lexia Core 5, Lexia PowerUp, Reflex Math, and IXL. Some of these programs, such as IXL, provide me with diagnostic information, while others, such as Reflex Math, show a student's progression through a given learning intervention. One way I collect student data is through the development of portfolios, or a systematic collection of student work over an extended period of time. Cohen and Spencer 2015 assert that portfolios demonstrate student progress rather than provide a dipstick test of student knowledge. Students in my classroom with IEPs have portfolios that include objectives directly related to their IEP goals. As suggested by Rollier and Hughes 2019, I involve students in the portfolio development process by having them track and graph data for each of our learning objectives, which is what you see here. My goal for the next school year is to help students develop digital portfolios using Seesaw so that parents may have access to student learning progress online.